Hello and welcome, my dear students, to my channel Mathematics Made Easy. This is Mr. Chika welcoming all my grade 8 elite students to today's session. In today's session, we are covering Module 2, Lesson 4, Solving Equations with Variable on Each Side. And our learning objective for the session would be to solve equations with variable on each side and apply the distributive property. So, a humble reminder, a kind request before we proceed with the session is to subscribe to the channel if you are finding the videos useful and liking my content. In today's session from the math book, we are going to be solving the following questions from 37 to 48. So let's do the first few questions and I will show you the method stepwise how to solve such equations where you have variables on each side. Let's solve the following questions. First question that we'll solve will be 37. In question 37, you see brackets on the right side. So whenever you see brackets, it has to come to your mind that you are going to distribute the number which is outside to the numbers which is inside. So we use distributive property to multiply and we get 2x minus 6. Now you see the variable 2x on both sides. So you are going to move the variable on one side. So I'm going to move, say, this 2x here, so that 2x will become minus 2x equal to minus 6. Now this will cancel out to give you 0 equal to minus 6. Now think about, is this possible that 0 and minus 6 are equal? No, it is not possible. So this situation, there will be no solution for this system of equations. Let's do answer 38. Now here the variable that you have is h and it is on both sides of the equation. So we can combine these three together. So let's take the 3 on the other side and these two h on this side. So it becomes 2 by 5h minus 12 by 5h plus 2h is equal to 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3 is easy. It is 10. Now here I need to make the denominator equal. Here denominator is 5, here it is 5, but here it is 1. So I will multiply with 5 numerator and denominator so that all becomes equal to 5. Now we can combine 2h minus 12h plus 10h. So 10 plus 2 will give you 12h minus 12h equal to 50. Now this is equal to 0, which cannot be equal to 50 here. So again, this is no solution because 0 cannot be equal to 50. Let's try 39 and 40 in the next slide. Okay, let's solve these two questions now. For question 39, we are going to solve it on the left side of the screen and 40 on the right side. So here you see brackets. Bracket means distributive. You are going to distribute. Here also you see brackets. So you are going to distribute. Quite obvious. So what do you get when you distribute? Minus 15 plus 5q plus 4 equal to 5q minus 11. This is minus 11 plus 5q is equal to 5q minus 11. Now if you see, this can be written as 5q minus 11 equal to 5q minus 11. So both sides are equal. That means 0 is equal to 0. So we can say this equation is an identity. Means it has many solutions. It can be solved for so many values. So 0 equal to 0 is always true. So that's why it's an identity having many solutions. Always true. Let's solve this now. So this is 8r plus 12 is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied with 12r plus 2 by 3 multiplied with 18. We'll simplify. So this is 4, this is 6. So on the right side you get 8r plus 12. On the left side also 8r plus 12. Both sides are equal. So 0 equal to 0. This can be an identity. So just like question 39, this is true for all values. Means it has many solutions. So question 39 and 40 are identities having many solutions. Okay, so let's solve question 43 here because it's a different kind of a question. It has decimals. The variable is j. So you will combine these two together and these two together. So move it here and move this here. So answer 43, 6.78j. When it moves on the left, it becomes negative 4.33j is equal to 5.2 plus 2.15. So now you will do the calculation, add on the right hand side. So 5.2 plus 2.15 would give you 7.35, and on the left, if you subtract the decimal, 6.78 minus 4.33 would give you 2.45g. Now you divide both sides by 2.45 because you want to isolate your j. So your j, this and this cancels, is, let's do the calculation. So 7.35 divided by 2.45, that will be equal to 3. So this has unique solution or one solution. Let's solve some more questions in the next slide. Okay, so let's solve question 46. In question 46, you see brackets means you are going to do distributive. So first you solve the innermost bracket. So 5 multiplied with cross bracket will be as it is. Inside, when you multiply, minus 4p plus, now plus and minus will become minus. So this will be minus here, minus 20 is equal to 25. So now you can simplify the bracket inside. So this is minus 2p minus 20 equal to 25. Now when you see brackets, you are going to do distributive. So this is minus 10p minus 100 equal to 25. Take 100 on the other side, it becomes 125. So p is 125 divided by 10 with a negative sign, so negative 12.5. So it has one solution which is a decimal, so p is minus 12.15. That's the solution for this question. Let's do answer 48 here. If you see division on the left side, we'll keep it like that. On the right side, we are going to simplify the mixed fraction. So 16 multiplied with 4 is 64, and added to 1 is 65 over 8. So you can write your, let's simplify this left side also. 3d divided by 8 minus 2 by 8 is equal to minus d plus 65 over 8. So I can now take this one on this side and d on the other side. So 3d minus 8 plus d is equal to 65 by 8 plus 2d. So this is 67 over 8. And here if you take LCM, it will be 3d plus 8d equal to 67 over 8. Now you can cross multiply both sides, and 8 and 8 will cancel. So this is 8, 9, 10, 11. 11d is 67. So d is divided by 11. Again, you are going to get a decimal here. So 67 divided by 11 is your final answer, which is 6.09. So this is the one solution for question 48. So that's all from today's session of Module 2, Lesson 4 for all my Grade 8 Elite students. If you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up. Practice more questions from this lesson and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or queries. Until then, this is Mr. Chika signing off from today's session. See you in my next video. Bye students.